Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Happy Color game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First thing to do is to open your Play Store and then go to the search box and type in Happy Color. Once you get to the search result, go ahead and tap on this application from Xflow and tap on install to begin downloading the app. Happy Color is a calming paint by numbers game that you can play and relax with exclusive nature, fashion, Disney, Marvel art, templates, and much more. Once you find the application, simply download it on your device, and once it is done, tap on the play button in order to open the application. So that is how you should be able to download the famous Happy Color game on your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.